Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Designs by Latrice. My name is Latrice, and in this vlog, I will be introducing myself and the current project I am working on. I am currently pursuing my Master of Science in Instructional Design and Technology, and I also work as a web designer. One of the things that I love most about this program is that I get to build out real projects that I can later use in my career, and that's exactly what I'm doing with this Technology Toolkit website. The purpose of this project is to create a toolkit that supports students in grades K through 5, especially those who have learning differences and struggle with subjects like reading, writing, and math. I wanted to create a website that teachers could share with parents that they can use at home with their students to help with homework, practice skills, and just to build extra confidence. This site is organized into categories so that it's easy to find whatever the parents may be looking for. There's a section for communication and collaboration, one for multimedia, another for online and blended learning, plus categories for games and simulations, virtual reality, and additional resources. I'm working to make it user friendly for families who may not be tech savvy, so each tool has a short description, a link to tutorials, and guidance on how it can support learning. I'm really excited about this project because I think it will make a big difference in bridging the gap between school and home. As a parent of three and one of them having autism, I know how helpful something like this would be, especially when helping with homework. Also, having tools that will help students with the areas that they may be struggling in. This vlog is part of me documenting my journey, and I plan to keep sharing my progress as I continue to build out this toolkit. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will follow along as I continue to develop this project further.